How to fix low ringer sound volume on incoming calls in iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is your iPhone's ringer volume getting low during incoming calls? This can be frustrating, but it's often caused by a specific setting or issue. In this quick guide, we will show you how to fix it on iOS 18. So let's get started. First, open settings and go to Face ID and passcode. Scroll down and toggle attention aware features off. These features lower the ringer volume if the phone detects you are looking at it. Now, adjust ringer volume. For that, go to settings, tap on sound and haptics and use the ringer and alert slider to increase the volume. Make sure the change with buttons option is enabled if you want to adjust volume using the side buttons. Next, disable focus or do not disturb mode. To do that, swipe down to the control center and check if a focus mode or do not disturb is enabled and turn it off. Next, check for software updates. Go to settings, tap on general and tap software updates and install the latest updates to ensure any bugs in iOS 18 are fixed. Next, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Hold the power button and restart your device. And that's it. This is how you can fix low ringer volume issue on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.